from Mexico.
Wow.
Look, it says on the back $140. Yeah. That means,
Okay, Drew, this is for you and Katie. This big one
Oh.
here. Tim is going to help you open it. What is it? A pony.
Looks like a subwoofer.
Drew wanted that subwoofer or a new pickup truck.
Either or. Oh boy, look what he got.
what is that?
You still, Drew, do you even know?
It looks like something for food.
God, it's huge.
Good job, Timok.
You're the best present unwrapper I've ever seen.
Who made that mess?
Wow, you're good at unwrapping. What do you think of this, Justin? Are we all crazy, huh? Okay, we are. Good job, Tim.
Mom, will you hand Katie Justin's present, or Drew? Justin's present, the gray one right there.